Hello friends, welcome to our channel Daily Tips and Tricks. I'm so excited. Today I'm preparing Vettakozhambu, which is really very traditional South Indian dish. The ingredients for Vettakozhambu: tamarind 1 small lemon size, Manatakali vattal 1 tablespoon, sambar powder 3 teaspoons, salt little, spices as in video, cooking oil 4 teaspoons. Vattakozhambu is really a very tasty, yummy dish. It's mostly prepared in South India, very traditional one. The main ingredients, tamarind and manatakali, they have a lot of health benefits. For preparing Vattakozhambu, first take tamarind. You could use puli paste, that will be 2 teaspoons. I am going to use this today. Just a small or a medium size lemon, and I have already soaked a same amount in hot water. It will soak at least 20 minutes so that we can remove the pulp. Then I'll just really squeeze this with my hand like this and start taking out the juice. Just for those who are brand new in cooking, I'm telling, this was amount which was soaked. This is the amount of water I have removed, and I'll let it rest for some time and then pour it into another vessel so that the sediments we don't need. This is the leftover which I will be throwing away. In our language, Manatakali seeds, or in English it's called juniper seeds. I'm going to use this today. These are dried and stored in bottles. And they have too many benefits, health benefits. They are anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, anti-diabetic, and they are good for the heart. They are antifungal. They have thousands of uses. Nowadays it's little rare to find in common households. Only we people who have been really used to this are using this. And I will be making the Vattakozhambu from this. That Imli ka pani, the tamarind water, it has settled. Now I'll just pour it into the other vessel. Just upar se. And the last one you can just use a small filter. For this I'll be using a filter. I'm adding a little tomato paste to that imli water. It gives a nice color. Just mix it and keep it ready. Yes, they are splattering. Add very little urad dal, very little arhar dal, very little methi dana. Those three. Everything has its own unique flavor. And today I've put a little more oil because this we normally prepare for 2-3 days. We can have it at a later date also. This is the Manatakalika vattal in our language, juniper seeds in English. Very good for health. And in olden days when there was famine or drought, they used to not get vegetables, so they used this. But over the period of time it has been passed to us for generations. Just do this nicely and you can see how they start to have a nice flavor, and they turn brown. And at this stage you can just add the sambar powder. Normally my mother's instruction, just switch off the gas for 2 minutes because otherwise you cannot sit in the house. There will be coughing all around. Switched off the flame, the gas, the heater, and then I poured the tamarind water. And now it has to keep boiling. And then once it comes to a nice boil, sim the gas and let it reduce to at least 1/3 of this size. You can store it in a bottle, and every day you need just 2-3 teaspoons of this with rice, and you can have the vegetables of your choice. This is called Vattakozhambu. Look at the vatakorumbu boiling. So much aroma. It's heaven. It has a very good taste, very good flavor. We have to develop a taste for it. When the quantity reduces a bit, you'll know the amount of salt. So I'm going to put 1.5 teaspoons. We are low on salt, low on oil. Now you can see how it has reduced the quantity from here till here, and I can just there are some people who add a little flour. I don't like to do that, changes the color. And I'll be adding, for those who like to put this powder of algae hing, you can put. I personally prefer to take those huge blocks and just pour water and keep it, and add 4-5 teaspoons hing water. This is, and most important ingredient, kadi patta, I don't have here. That's not a luxury I can afford here, so I do without that. Here the vatakorumbu is ready, and you can serve it with hot rice with any side dish of your choice. We are going to have this with cucumber raita.
Please press the like button, share with your family and friends, subscribe to our channel Daily Tips and Tricks. Press the bell icon to keep you informed about our new postings. Your comments help us to improve. Thank you.